Did you know that cracked heels affect nearly 20% of the population? Dry, cracked heels can be painful, literally. They can cause discomfort, pain, and even lead to infections if not taken care of. But with these natural remedies, you can say goodbye to them for good. From coconut oil and shea butter to banana and honey, we'll show you the best ways to soften and moisturize your heels. Try these simple and affordable remedies at home and get ready to show off your smooth, healthy-looking feet. For many of us, cracked heels are a common problem that can be especially prevalent during the dry winter months. Our skin tends to get drier, and without proper care, our heels can crack and become painful. The dry air isn't the only culprit. Our lifestyle and the way we treat our feet also play a significant role. Wearing shoes that don't fit properly, walking long distances, and not moisturizing our feet regularly can all contribute to cracked heels. And let's not forget about the aesthetic part. Cracked heels can look unsightly and make us feel self-conscious about showing off our feet. If left untreated, cracked heels can become a breeding ground for bacteria, leading to infections. This can be particularly problematic for people with diabetes or other conditions that affect circulation. So it's essential to take care of our feet and address any issues before they become more severe. The good news is that there are many natural remedies that can help heal cracked heels. You might be surprised at how effective they can be. One of the simplest and most effective remedies is using coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in nutrients and antioxidants that help to moisturize and nourish the skin. Simply apply a generous amount to your heels, massage it in, and let it work its magic overnight. Honey is another natural humectant that can help lock in moisture. You can apply a thin layer of honey to your heels and leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing off. Foot soaks are also an excellent way to soften and heal cracked heels. You can soak your feet in a mixture of warm water and Epsom salt for about 15-20 minutes. The Epsom salt helps to reduce inflammation and soften the skin, making it easier to exfoliate and moisturize. Another remedy that's gained popularity is using a mixture of sugar and olive oil to exfoliate and moisturize the skin. The sugar helps to remove dead skin cells, while the olive oil nourishes and moisturizes the skin. One remedy that I've found to be particularly effective is using a combination of coconut oil and shea butter. I've personally seen great results from using this remedy, and I've even noticed a significant improvement in the texture and appearance of my skin. I've also tried using a foot cream that contains natural ingredients like tea tree oil and aloe vera. These ingredients help to soothe and calm the skin, reducing inflammation and promoting healing. In my experience, consistency is key when it comes to healing cracked heels. It's essential to stick to a routine and be patient, as it may take some time to see results. The combination of these remedies and a consistent foot care routine can lead to remarkable results. I've seen it work for myself and many others. To sum it up, there are many natural remedies that can help heal cracked heels, from coconut oil and honey to foot soaks and exfoliating with sugar and olive oil. If you've had success with any of these remedies or have other tips to share, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out more of my natural remedy videos for healthy living and subscribe for more content.